engine blocks, the particular block that's sitting next to me is actually finished, machined. So it's just awaiting a few more parts for it ready to go out for testing, which is, Gary is really excited and can't wait for the results. I think we all can't, because we've all spent a lot of time on it and we've lived and breathed it the last 10 months.
Neil, brilliant new facility. When did you move in here?
So we took the keys in October 2019. We spent probably 7 months renovating, and then the pandemic hit. We started the ventilator challenge at that point, and so it was all guns and trying to get everything in here as quick as possible to start making parts of the ventilator challenge.
We have, and what a special offer it is, Joe. £500 worth, £500 voucher for any new machine. Okay, so what this means is if you've got a new machine coming in, you're going to be ordering a new machine, hook up with us, get online or give us a ring or get in touch with your technical partner. What we've got is you pay for the tool, you pay for the inserts, and you'll get the tool for free, okay, up to the value of £500.
And these VM10 machines from Herco, I've seen them in many companies. I know you like the machines because of the controls and because of Herco, but these are perfect, aren't they, for getting more out of a machine, more spindles in one area?
Oh, they are definitely. I mean, just in this 980 square foot, I mean, we've got 3 machines. We've got 2 VM10s and a VM30. So the VM30, we can still do plate work with 1200 in the X-Travel, and then we've got the 2 smaller 10s down there for production work.
Okay, thank you, Lindsay. Yeah, I think this year started off really buoyant, even since the third lockdown started in December. We've had a year pandemic lockdown.
Yep. There's
a backlog in medical, operations, dental, things like that. But also, you know, in the last year, the Bank of England said people have saved £180 billion. That's burning holes in people's pockets.
Yeah.
People want to get out, they want to buy things. The government have had long-term plans on infrastructure improvements, so construction's busy, medical, dental, even oil and gas. Luxury goods, by far the fastest growing sector, you know, consumer electronics, things like that. And some surprises really, you know, there's some new kids on the block like EV technologies.
Right.
And also carbon capture. So there's lots of new opportunities.
Paul, we're here in the West Midlands at A&M EDM. What is it you do?
We do a variety of things. Originally, the business started as an EDM company, which was wire and spark erosion.
Martin, you've now introduced a long bar feeder range to your automated solutions. It's got some very unique selling points. But firstly, can you just give us a very brief overview on the long bar feeder range and tell our audience why you've introduced this to your portfolio of products?
So I started with working at a Royal Aircraft establishment and I got into wind tunnel instrumentation and wind tunnel control systems, model positioning in wind tunnels. And when I left there, I went to finish up working at a machine tool company that was making high-speed routers for the aerospace industry for honeycomb materials, laser cutters, very much in the early days of laser cutting, and ultrasonic knife cutting. I developed several control systems, but with the one available from CNC, standard CNCs at that time, I had to write my own control systems software to control axes that couldn't be controlled by the CNCs at the time, to do various tasks, and that's how I stumbled across Vision as a means of controlling positioning of cutters in material, trimming and identification. So the first thing we did was looking at digitising cowhides for regular car seats.
I think they're very informative. They really help push engineering in this country. So I think that it's just an excellent platform to promote businesses, to promote all the machines that we use. It's fantastic.
Everything, social media, email, magazine through the post, and we do look at it. Obviously, I think you guys have pretty much got the machinery tool publications and championing the UK manufacturing pretty much signed up now, and yeah, we do learn a lot from it.
Well, generally speaking, I just like to have a browse. You review a lot of manufacturers, you review a lot of work holding, and it helps me make my decision.
I love to see engineering out in the world. It's very easy to get complacent, live in the box that you're in, but until you go out into the world and you experience new engineering and different techniques and different ways of doing things is when you really learn what engineering's all about and what you can do if you push the boundaries.
So we were in the market for CNC machinery, and the MTD platform opened our eyes up to what's out there when we used it to do a lot of research, to research machine tool suppliers, because as new into the industry doing the CNC work, it was ideal for us to find the information that we needed.